Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing amazing.
Doing amazing. What do you got going on today?
I'm skydiving.
Skydiving. Is this your first time skydiving?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you picked an absolutely wonderful day to do it. Are you ready to rock and roll? You ready to get up there? Get out of there.
I'm so ready to release and let go and let fly.
All right. Let's go have some fun.
Woo!
Woo-hoo!
I love it.
Woo-hoo! All right. We got it. Same thing for the left. Holy shit. All the way up. And then when you want to slow it down, hold it.
Oh wow.
You got a good grip, right?
Yeah.
The one flying.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Just a slight little right turn. There you go.
Woo-hoo!
Just try to get over the top of that right there, guys.
Okay.
Yes. Knock down a little bit.
Saying hello to the earth. Woo!
All right, you just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Oh, I don't have words. That was so fucking life-changing.
Yeah. You did absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive,
That
Colorado
was amazing.
Springs.
Thank you friggin' forever, Lee. Thank you.
Yay.
Let's go.